Be.
Is stoked to unveil our latest attractions, guaranteed to make a splash and beat the heat wave. Introducing the Ocean Park Aqua Adventure, your ultimate oasis for aquatic thrills and endless summer vibes. Dive into a world of water wonders and embark on epic escapades that'll leave you breathless and begging for more. But hold on to your hats, because that's not all. Brace yourselves for the Philippine Biodome. And Sir Indonesia and their dilemmas among the white taxis. There you go, the show has officially started our locals for Taco with Trainer Vina. The woodlands and forest areas along the east coast of Australia. There are vernal bird and they mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find this hidden object? Well, if it is, then say, you can do it, Dazzle! Come on, Dazzle, find the hidden object for us.
Middle.
And she found it! Round of applause for Dazzle with Trainer Vina. Now for our next speech line. But as any couple relatives in a relationship, there will always be one. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful Colonel Billy Mahal. But today, we will finally talk to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before we start this battle, I will divide the game into two groups. So all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let me hear you cheer. Sassy! Sassy! And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, let me hear you cheer. Rocky! Rocky! Alright, so girls ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here comes Rocky for the first ball, followed by Sassy. And second ball for Rocky. And it's a tie for the last ball to win and Rocky wins! Trainer Vina, what can you say about that? Use this time. Well then, Sassy! Trainer Dan, what can you say about that? 3 wins at the same time.
Hey, you guys kid!
Oh, you think she cheated? No, we didn't cheat. Sassy, use your brain. Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Vina and Trainer Dan. First lap. Just like Sassy, Billy was from South America and are the general giant of the Parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth mohawks. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 80 years old. Scientific name is Arachnoroptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salt, minerals along the river banks. And for the last wave, come on, Sassy. And there you go, intelligent right round of applause for Sassy and Trainer Vina. And Rocky gets the first number correct. So about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 pesos. This is also our new fan Nakatsu. Sign name is Nakatsu Amolosensis. Bobby flies over. Andy gets the money and flies back. And I think Bobby just donated the money. Round of applause for our photo. Now, meron akong question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well, now you know remind you go on play, and we are very, very grateful. You may now go back to your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. How about we need to look the narrative and names. How about a round of applause for our rounders, our chicken, and our burning pigeons? Those streams and Lisa and Bermuda's our lover bird, and they're going to show us how the proper waste disposal. Hello, everyone! Wow, what a nice entrance! Good day, everyone, and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, my name is Divina. Yes, wow, confident. Her name is Isis, together trainer AJ. Say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have here. And our leader trainer, she is the cutest. Oh, the green eyed girl. Her name is Ira. Together trainer Dan. Say hello. Now guys, let's continue. Do you have any idea why there are goldfish as a fine demonstration of what run across porcelain France? And you know what guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about run across porcelain France? As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water, and their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine animals, can see both above and underwater. They are right with typhoons, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climb abilities, which can is ring salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover. So trainers, what next? The ball? How do you think they get the balls? It's a ball balance. Purple, ladies. Almost there. Purple. Steady and fantastic. Forward and across porcelain France. Excellent work, ladies. This time, would you love to see? Let's move it! Clap your hands, everybody! Come on! Now, ladies, go down that side by side. Rock and roll, guys. This is the water ballet. Boys and turn. And around the world we go, round and round. And on the other side, round and round. Now ladies, roll down the booyahs. Boogie, boogie, shake, shake, shake. And our favorite part, the boogie shake. Shake those booties. Shake, trainers. And keep on rolling. Now ladies, show them what you got. People in the mouth, ready your camera, because this is the best part. Steady on.